Are you looking for the best air fryers? In your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best air fryers. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Cuisinart Air 200 Basket Air Fryer. The Cuisinart Basket Air Fryer Air 200 is a handy air fryer if you want to cook simple one-pot meals. Some of the settings are underwhelming, but overall, the air fryer is an affordable choice with a good 6-quart capacity and a handy viewing window. The viewing window is one of the handiest features in this air fryer's arsenal. An oven light lets you see inside without letting out hot air. There's only one drawer, so you must be comfortable with cooking all of your food together in one compartment. For an air fryer with 2 compartments instead, look at the Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 Smart 10 QT, 2-basket air fryer instead. This air fryer has dishwasher-safe parts and a crisper plate, which helps to brown off food quickly. It's also handy that you can adjust the time and temperature using the LCD panel because its preset cooking modes, while great on paper, aren't always predictable. The presets include French fries, vegetables, wings, frozen snacks, and leftovers. Functions include air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, and reheating. Measuring 12x16 5x 12.25 inches, it requires a good amount of counter space. Another downside is that the black stainless steel is fingerprint prone. If you want to use less oil, and you don't mind getting stuck in with controlling the temperature yourself, this is a good air fryer. While it effortlessly delivers crisp food, the preset cooking modes often under or overcook food. Still, it's easy enough to monitor things using the glass window. Another small issue is that if you want to empty the contents of the basket in one fell swoop, you'll need to use tongs because the crisper plate isn't fixed. Up next in the 4th place is the Cosori TurboBlaze Compact Air Fryer. The Cosori TurboBlaze 6-quart air fryer is the kind of air fryer that makes converts out of skeptics. It's easy to assemble, easy to use, easy to clean, and most importantly, does a great job with whatever function you use it for. In a sense, it's made a convert out of me. When it comes to the best air fryers, I favor oven-style models over basket-style ones since they often come with a toast function, still not on offer here, and plenty of room to spread out whatever is being prepared. Plus, the insides of many basket-style air fryers use plastic in places that can leach into the food, which is certainly not the case here. Cosori is not the most established brand. However, it has delivered a quality product with the Cosori TurboBlaze 6-quart air fryer. In fact, its biggest weakness is also one of its main strengths. Its strong cooking power makes it easy to overcook food if you don't adjust for it. There's very little to dislike unless you're completely opposed to the form factor. So if you're looking for a great air fryer, then keep this one in mind, especially since it's relatively affordable. The Cosori TurboBlaze 6-quart air fryer doesn't break the mold looks-wise, though it does look good in mostly matte black. More importantly, while the outside is made of plastic, albeit a very sturdy and durable feeling plastic, including the covering of the LED panel, the inside, including both the basket and the part of the unit touching the basket, is all metal, meaning that nothing plastic gets close to the food. Speaking of that LED panel, it's situated on top of the air fryer, but at an angle so that it's very accessible during use. The buttons are capacitive, so you're basically touching the panel to adjust temperature, time, or cooking function. And all the available controls are here. Though you can easily press up or down for both temp and time, it would be nice to be able to input specific times with a number pad as you can on a microwave. That said, this is typical of air fryers as there needs to be plenty of space for all the function buttons. Of course, there's plenty of space on the top panel for more controls. As far as cooking functions go, there are technically 9 on offer: air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, defrost, proof, reheat, and keep warm. They're essentially temperature and time presets. And the frozen function seems a little redundant as you can just do air fry for most frozen foods. Still, they're very useful, especially if you're new to air fryers and don't quite know what temperature and time settings to use. As far as safety features go, there's one active one. The air fryer will automatically turn off when the basket is removed. More passively, the outside of the air fryer doesn't get that hot during use. While you should always exercise caution, you're not likely to accidentally burn yourself touching the outside of the air fryer. As far as capacity goes, 6 quarts is fairly sizable, more than enough to make a decent amount of sides or even fillets of salmon for a group of 5 to eat. And since the basket uses a more square-ish design, you're not as limited as other air fryers if you want to put a baking pan in. As far as cleanup goes, the interior of the basket, as well as the crisper plate, is covered in non-stick material, so I didn't have to worry too much about food getting stuck, and I even made dehydrated mangoes. Since the basket is completely removable, it's easy to soak it, and the crisper plate can be cleaned with soap and water, though both are dishwasher safe. The third product on our list is the Instant Vortex Plus Dual Air Fryer. The Instant Vortex Plus Dual 8-quart stainless steel air fryer is a standout air fryer for anyone who wants a family-friendly way to cook. This air fryer makes cooking 2 things at once a breeze thanks to its 2 baskets, and for cooks who want the ultimate amount of control, each basket can be set at a different temperature or time limit. The air fryer has a good range of modes: boil, bake, reheat, roast, air fry, and dehydrate. Picky eaters will like the ability to separate food, but there's no removable divider, so it's not possible to cook big joints of meat. The temperature range is also quite limited. Design-wise, the product has a handy digital screen and central dial. A viewing window and internal light act like an oven window. The appliance requires a fair bit of countertop space, but it's very family-friendly. There's also a spare grill plate, although it's worth noting that the grill plates are difficult to clean because the rubber grips gather grease and food. They require a good, long scrub. We really liked the pleasant jingle, which lets you know when your food has finished cooking. The sync cook mode and the sync finish modes are also handy. The former can duplicate settings across both baskets, and the latter sets both baskets to finish cooking at the same time. Performance. The Instant Vortex Plus Dual 8-quart stainless steel air fryer makes cooking easier. It's quick to preheat, and although the 19700W of power doesn't make this the most powerful air fryer around, it still cooks food quicker than a regular oven and uses less oil. The air fryer produced crispy, perfectly soft broccoli in just 5 minutes. The grill plates are especially handy for cooking things like bacon because the fat drains into a separate chamber away from the main section. Second on our list is the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is a superb family option with lots of capacity and plenty of cooking styles, but it's also expensive. Breville products are always great to look at, and the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is no exception. Even away from the overall look of the oven, the tiny details are great here. The dials are polished and feel satisfying to use, and the LCD screen is really comprehensive, so you don't need to click any buttons to access different modes. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is the best example of a countertop oven that can do it all, with a sleek interface to match. There are 13 functions packed into this oven, with a range of accessories to help you with everything from turning out perfect pizzas to slow cooking a stew. Breville claims that you can slash cooking time by 30% with this oven, with a temperature range that spans from 80 to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Our fries were cooked to perfection, which Breville would say is probably due to the Element X system. This is an algorithm-based program that directs power to where it's most needed in the oven, which in practice gives you a more even cook on whatever is inside. Slow cooking, roasting, and reheating took a little longer than air frying would, but the overall result on the vegetables was great. Finally, the top product on our list is the Ninja Foodi DualZone FlexBasket Air Fryer. The Ninja Foodi FlexBasket Air Fryer with 7 QT Megazone has lots to like for a good price, including a generous 7-quart capacity and 6 cooking modes. Family-sized portions are also a breeze, as they can be cooked in 2 different modes simultaneously. The Ninja Foodi FlexBasket Air Fryer with 7 QT Megazone has 6 preset cooking modes, a handy feature for anyone who is trying out an air fryer for the first time. A removable divider separates the main Megazone drawer into 2 non-stick baskets, each with its own separate cooking zone. Always versatile, all of the air fryer's preset modes can be adjusted to your liking except for the Air Broil Max Crisp setting. One of the handiest features this air fryer has is the sync button, which allows you to sync up 2 different foods so that they finish cooking at the same time. A keep warm function is also handy for keeping food tepid when you're not quite ready to eat. Looks-wise, the Ninja Foodi FlexBasket air fryer isn't anything impressive. It comes in one color only, black. It has a handy digital display with one main rotary knob resembling an oven dial. The curved edges look sleek, a benefit if you have a modern kitchen. With 1690W of power behind it, the Ninja Foodi FlexBasket air fryer has plenty of cooking power. That being said, it sometimes overbrowns food that has been cooked using the preset modes. The fact that the air fryer can cook 4 jacket potatoes in just 43 minutes should be a telltale sign that the air fryer can confidently handle family-sized portions. It is, however, slightly noisier than an electric oven, emitting an average of 59 decibels. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.